Hi there, and welcome to this introduction to MaestroConference's powerful voice-based social conferencing platform. My name's Adam Corin, and I'll be walking you through a few basic steps of why you might want to use MaestroConference. I'll tell you how you can use it as a perfect complement with 4 Years Go. I'll show you our platform function and features, as well as how to get the most out of your use of MaestroConference. Our goal is simple: provide 4 Years Go organizations with the most powerful voice-based social conferencing tool available for moving large groups of people into action. And we get to do that absolutely free. I'm really excited that we get to make that offer for you. MaestroConference is more than a conference call or a webinar. It's a whole new way to inspire action using the power of live human voice. Using MaestroConference, it's easy to instantly engage and move people to get involved, influence others, learn and share knowledge, deepen relationships, and even donate or make purchases right on the call. So let's get right into the introduction to our platform function and features. So here you are looking at our MaestroConference interface. I think it's really simple and elegant. So here are the folks that are on the call. Now, one of our most exciting features at MaestroConference is the ability to transform a large call by moving in between large and small groups. You can do this by simply clicking a few buttons on our interface to break people into groups of your choosing, either partners, groups of 3 or 4 or 5, etc. So let me show you how I do that. I just hit this Create Breakouts button. Let's do groups of 5 and hit Commit. And you can see that these folks are in a group together, these folks are in a group together, etc. Now, I have to tell you, this is a complete shift in what is traditionally possible. You can reach hundreds or even thousands of people at a time on a call, and then instantly having those people engage with each other in small groups to explore their personal commitment to a topic. That's really exciting. Okay, so I'm going to dissolve those groups so we're back in the main room. And another great feature you can use is getting instant feedback during a call with our polling technology. You can ask yes or no questions, or more flexible questions like, how familiar with this topic are you already, on a scale of 1 to 5? And you can have people just punch in the number 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5 on their telephone, and then you can watch as the responses come in the upper left-hand corner of your interface. You can even share that data with your callers by broadcasting the polling status onto what our participant dashboard so they can see the results of the polls as well. You can also do live Q&A on these calls as well, and you can do it in a way that isn't cluttered with massive background noise, as is the case with other conference call technologies. You can simply ask your callers, okay, who would like to ask a question? Just press 1 on your telephone keypad. And then as people raise their hands, you can give individual people the mic and then take it away when you're done. So let's say these folks had all raised their hands. You can say, Carl, I see you have a question. You simply tap the microphone next to his name. And then when you've answered his question, you can say, thank you very much. Take his microphone away, and you're back as the presenter. You can call on someone else or simply move on. Okay, and I'm going to put all the hands down at once now. Great. So, and I just want to drop a few more tantalizing tips for what else you can do with MaestroConference. So not only can you give your participants the chance to interact in small groups, you can actually walk the room during those breakout groups to get a sense of what your people are really thinking and feeling. You can capture interest right on our call with our one-touch opt-in button. So you can ask how many of you would like to be on my email list, and then capture the data of just those folks who opted in. You can also raise money on these calls. You can make a call to action for donations or purchases, and then process those transactions right on the call by having assistants move into private breakouts where those donations or purchases can be processed confidentially. So to recap, the power of MaestroConference is that it enables you to really engage with people in an empowering way, and it makes your calls highly interactive. You can inspire and move people into action with the breakout groups and the polling features. So if you haven't already done so, I want to encourage you to go to our Get Started button right on this page and give us a try at MaestroConference. Thank you so much for watching.